to A to B. Here we go. One bar of E, then half note. The A gets a half note and the B gets a half note. Let's get used to where these things live. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, this gets 3, 4. Now the A. So pretty. B with the chord progression. I love this. And it would make me very happy if you sent me a song and said, Chris, I used this chord progression. Listen to it. I wrote these lyrics on top of this. Anything you want. Now I'm going to go to quarter note strums. Here we go now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to bring it home now, yeah, and there. All right, even though it's good.